Welcome to your tutorial on how to remove your braces on demand replacement bracket from the raft and insert it into your patient's personalized digital bonding tray.
Let's get started.
Highlighting the patient's name helps orientate the raft. Once oriented, the brackets are in the standard Palmer notation with the patient's upper right brackets on the upper left of the raft. Removing brackets from your raft is easy. We recommend two methods to remove brackets from the raft. The first method is to use your thumb to gently push on the facial surface of the bracket towards the center of the raft. The second method uses an instrument such as a bracket placer. Lightly wedge the instrument against the raft wall and gently lean the instrument against the facial surface of the bracket towards the center of the raft. Any support remnants can be easily swept away. Replacement brackets are included with your case, and any additional replacements can be ordered through the Braces on Demand app. Let's load your tray. Using lab scissors, section the blueprint tray to isolate the replacement tooth. Let's ensure that you are orientating the bracket correctly. BOD brackets have a raised sphere on the distal gingival of the bracket. After you've inserted the bracket into the tray, ensure that the opening of the lightning bolt is toward the mesial. Congratulations! You have successfully loaded your replacement bracket into the blueprint tray. Don't forget to visit app.bracesondemand.com to share feedback as well as order another replacement bracket.